20 time management tips for a more productive life. 1. Start your day early and plan ahead. 2. Prioritize your tasks and focus on the most important ones. 3. Set realistic goals and deadlines. 4. Use a calendar or planner to keep track of your schedule. 5. Minimize distractions and avoid multitasking. 6. Take breaks regularly to avoid burnout. 7. Use technology to your advantage, such as productivity apps. 8. Delegate tasks when possible. 9. Learn to say no to requests that don't align with your goals. 10. Organize your workspace for maximum efficiency. 11. Use the Pomodoro technique to stay focused. 12. Keep a task list and cross off completed items. 13. Schedule time for self-care and relaxation. 14. Use your commute time effectively, such as listening to podcasts or audiobooks. 15. Avoid procrastination and tackle difficult tasks first. 16. Use visualization techniques to stay motivated. 17. Set boundaries with your time, such as limiting social media use. 18. Learn to recognize and avoid time-wasting activities. 19. Take advantage of your most productive times of day. 20. Continuously evaluate and adjust your time management strategies. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to see more such videos.